Expressions quiz moods. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about our own or another person's moods. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. My sister's been in seventh heaven ever since she left her husband. A. Very lonely. B. Very happy. C. Very sad. Answer is letter B. In seventh heaven means very happy. Number 2. Andy's been depressed all day. Why doesn't he just snap out of it? A. Change his mood. B. Accept his mood. C. Enjoy his mood. Answer is letter A. Snap out of it means change his mood. Number 3. I was in a bad mood already. So when the cashier was rude to me, I went ballistic. A. Laughed at him. B. Ignored him. C. Became furious. Answer is letter C. Went ballistic means became furious. Number 4. Our little boy's in one of those moods when he'll stop at nothing to get what he wants. A. Do anything. B. Do nothing. C. Stop trying. Answer is letter B. Stop at nothing means do nothing. Number 5. Nancy looked as if she didn't have a care in the world. A. Wasn't worried about anything. B. Didn't care about anything. C. Didn't care about the world. Answer is letter A. Wasn't worried about anything. Didn't have a care in the world. Number 6. He's always saying he'll quit smoking, but I think he means business this time. A. Is only joking. B. Is very determined. C. Is being businesslike. Answer is letter B. Means business means is very determined. Number 7. My girlfriend can be as stubborn as a mule when she wants to be. A. Not stubborn enough. B. Quite stubborn. C. Extremely stubborn. Answer is letter C. As stubborn as a mule means extremely stubborn. Number 8. After winning the election, Joe was feeling on top of the world. A. Very happy. B. Very powerful. C. Very isolated. Answer is letter A. Very happy. On top of the world means very happy. Number 9. Donald has been out of sorts ever since he failed to win. A. In a good mood. B. In a funny mood. C. In a bad mood. Answer is letter C. In a bad mood. Out of sorts means in a bad mood. And number 10, last item. It looks like Rosa got out of the wrong side of bed again. A. Got very little sleep. B. Woke up in a bad mood. C. Woke up in a good mood. Answer is letter B. Got out of the wrong side of bed means woke up in a bad mood. So this video ends here about expressions quiz moods. Thanks for watching.